Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to download and install AliExpress shopping app. AliExpress is a massive online marketplace owned by e-commerce giant Alibaba Group. Think of it as a global shopping mall where thousands of independent sellers offer products directly to buyers worldwide, mostly at wholesale prices. I have ordered products several times from AliExpress and have it delivered to my home address in the UK. Things you need to know: unlike Amazon, AliExpress does not hold most of the inventory itself. It connects you directly with sellers, mostly from China. You will find incredibly low prices on everything: electronics, clothing, tools, phone cases, drones, car parts, motorcycle parts, and even random gadgets you don't even know existed. But I must say there is a catch here. Shipping takes time. Yes, usually around 15 to 45 days depending on where you live, unless you pay more for faster shipping like AliExpress standard shipping. Buyer's protection: AliExpress holds your payment until you confirm that you have received the item. If it is never arrived or it's a wrong item, you can open a dispute and often get a refund. Shipping is often free. Many items include free shipping, which is why the delivery is low. They use budget postal services. I must say and encourage you to check sellers' rating. Always buy from sellers with high feedback score, like 95% or above, and also read reviews with photo, and bear in mind that quality varies a lot between sellers. AliExpress usually have big sales around November with deep discount. They also have smaller events around March, June, and August. Go to Google Play Store. If you are using Apple phone, go to App Store. So go to Google Play Store, then search, go on top and type AliExpress shopping. AliExpress shopping, Alibaba mobile, 500 million plus downloads, 15 million reviews. Select install, and also make sure you have enough space on your phone before you download the app. The app is installing. Select open. AliExpress. In terms of receive notification, so you can select no thank you or get other updates. Then it will ask you again, do you want notification? I'm going to select don't allow. Welcome to AliExpress. Your location: my location is United Kingdom. So if you have different locations, just need to select on the location, then select your location from the list. So I'm United Kingdom, so United Kingdom. Then you select continue. I usually reject cookies. Welcome to AliExpress. Sign in with your email or phone number, or you can also sign in with Google, Passkey, Clama, Facebook, and X. So once you sign in, it will ask you set up a passkey. You can create a passkey or not now. Welcome gift. Tap to claim your gift. Will show you free shipping, free return. So they have categories. You can select explore, choice day, fashion, automotive, household, electronics, athletics, cosmetics, toys and hobby, jewelry, mothers and kids, bags, shoes, security and protection, tools. So you just need to scroll down or type any particular product you want. You can also search for the product on the top or use camera to scan the image. Let's say we want to search for this ink. You can search for ink cartridge. Canon ink 545, for example. Select on it. Then it will show you remanufactured ink cartridges. So let's say if you select this particular one, scroll down, show you the price, then you select add to cart or buy now, free return within 90 days. And also they have some coupon discount code. I am AliExpress affiliate. Also use my code to sign in. You can add to cart. So the product is added to cart, and also it will tell you maximum quantity you can purchase from the product. So this is a good example. And also you can also use camera to capture the image of that particular product. If you want to remove it, you can also delete the product. So any product you added to cart, you can also delete it or remove it. So this is the app. You can place your order from here and have it shipped to your home address. Once you put your payment plan, show you shop, catalog, and your account. So you can shop for any particular item you want. This is something I thought to share with you, how to install and download AliExpress app. If you want to remove the app, you go to your home page, scroll, then it will show you the app on your phone screen. To remove the app, just hold the app. Give you option for you to select search, order, shop cart, account, remove, uninstall, or widget. So select uninstall. Then select OK to uninstall the app. If you keep an eye, the app will be removed. Here we go. So the app is uninstalled. So this is how to install and uninstall AliExpress shopping app. Thank you very much indeed.